About 90 miles east of El Paso. On the way to Carlsbad, the desert breaks. The cacti and creosote give way to green fields of alfalfa, cotton, and chili. Welcome to Dell City. It's called the Valley of Hidden Water. Generations of farmers have been pumping water out of the aquifer here to create an agricultural oasis in the middle of the Chihuahuan Desert.
We see water as a finite resource, and so we've got to be able to figure out how do we utilize that finite resource responsibly, and that's where some of the new technologies come into play.
Jay Hill farms on land owned by El Paso Water near Dell City. The utility is a worldwide leader in water conservation. As a result, El Paso Water and its partners have a responsibility to bring that innovative spirit to the agricultural practices on lands owned by the utility. It also protects water resources for Dell City and the region. Farmers used to flood their fields with water.
The plant had to suck up what it could, and then you had to move on to the next.
Jesse Stahl works on the farm with Jay. Over the winter, they installed a state-of-the-art drip irrigation system underground in this chili field.
So we're actually giving the plant the water right where it needs it instead of watering this huge area.
The old system used about 1,400 gallons of water every minute. That's more than 10 times as much water as the average El Pasoan uses all day. The drip irrigation system cut the amount of water used to irrigate this field in half. It's not just drip irrigation, it's also data that are helping farmers here become more efficient. Measuring about a quarter-mile long, these massive rolling sprayers called pivots complete their trip around a field once every 48 hours. They create a patchwork of circles across the valley. They can also dump a lot of water.
We're actually able to get on our phones and we can see exactly where this pivot's at, how much water it's putting out, and all those sorts of things, how fast it's moving. And it'll actually give us alerts. Sometimes you have something go wrong and the pivot will stop moving, and then you're dumping 1,200 gallons a minute right where it's sitting, and that is a huge waste of water.
Being armed with information to avoid water waste has proved to be a powerful tool and incentive for other farmers in the region.
I know our neighbors across the road, they've invested in it because they can see, it's a huge cost savings, not only for us, we can save on our fuel costs and our electrical costs by not wasting water.
Making a case that it's as environmentally friendly as it is economically smart.
I think anybody wants to do it just because of a great cause, but I think people want to be able to sustain themselves and their livelihood.